my name is Lokin. I'm from state of Penang from Malaysia. I'm from Equator College. I'm from the course of Graphic and Multimedia Design. And by this talk, Redboy, I learned a lot about, I gained more knowledge about on movies and production from Malaysia, because in previous times I don't really know so much about, because to be real, Malaysia doesn't really have a lot of information, and when we are young we don't really go online and search for a lot of information about Malaysian production. So from Red One I actually learned a lot and more knowledge about how Malaysia production works and how they produce their films. That is all I need to say. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Tan Xiaojie from Equator College. So from the talk, and I've gained some knowledge about the movie, and I know how a movie's production actually flows. I gained some knowledge about the movie itself because I'm actually interested in filming movie, but now I can know more about it. Then I hopefully, not hopefully, I believe that this lesson really helped me a lot. And yeah, that's it.
Hi, I'm Jason, 3D lecturer here at Equator College. Thanks to Redboy for coming to give this talk. I think the students benefited from learning more about the Malaysian film industry, and also like what a production company does. Yeah, thanks.